On Killing a Tree by Gieve Patel. CBSE Class 9. This beautiful poem is a part of the textbook Beehive. In this lesson, I will first explain what this poem is about. It is going to be a critical appreciation which will help you understand this poem in depth. I will make a line-wise explanation which will also have an explanation of the various poetic devices used by the poet. Gieve Patel is an Indian poet and playwright. Most of his poems are based on the theme of the human body. On Killing a Tree, too, is one such poem. In the poem On Killing a Tree, the poet persuades the reader not to destroy trees. He equates the cutting of a tree with killing a human being. He sensitizes the reader and highlights the fact that trees are living things. He equates trees with human beings to convey that trees should not be cut because destroying trees is just like killing a human being. Moreover, a tree does not die by merely cutting because it regrows from where it is cut. If it has to be destroyed, then it has to be uprooted. He says that a plant takes sunlight, water, air, and nutrients from the soil to gradually, means slowly, become a huge tree. It develops a strong trunk and gets numerous leaves. Merely cutting the trunk of the tree does not kill it. When a tree is cut, the sap flows out, just like a wounded man bleeds. Once the wound heals, new branches and tiny leaves grow from there, which bloom into trees. In order to destroy a tree, it has to be uprooted. The roots, which are white in color and are damp due to the moisture that they get from the soil, are hidden in a pit in the earth. These roots are the most sensitive part of the tree as they bind it to the earth. In order to kill the tree, these roots have to be detached from the soil. Once the roots are detached, the tree starts drying up. It withers, dries up with the action of heat and wind, twists, hardens, and finally dies. This was a brief synopsis of the poem On Killing a Tree by Gieve Patel. I hope that you enjoyed it. Do check part 2 of this lesson where I make a detailed line-wise explanation of the poem along with the poetic devices. I'm quite sure that would help you score full marks. And if you learned from this video lesson, do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel.